I actually gave almost around 500 or 700 auditions, जिसके अंदर से मैं एक में भी select नहीं हुई. First ever money that I made was 300 rupees something, and I was like, yay, 300 rupees, 300 rupees. I got a call again from Salman sir saying that, I don't know whether, you're gonna get selected or not, but we'll definitely get you auditioned. Please yourself.
Hi Daisy.
Hi.
Welcome to the Girl Club of Bollywood.
I really like the name though, the Girl Club.
So Daisy, you know what? Everyone is in awe of your journey. If you could tell us a little about your struggle from the start. Do you remember that very first sort of click that happened and you did what you did in the direction of where you are today?
I used to stay in Dombivli at that point of time, and then obviously we were all fukat because of the vacations.
Yeah.
So we had this beauty pageant. I got the title of Miss Photogenic. The fashion choreographer for that particular show, that particular pageant, knew people in the film industry, and then one fine day he just out वो time पे mobiles इतने नहीं होते थे, they were like landlines. So we got a call from him, and then he asked me whether would I be interested going for a shoot. That time, so my dad was like, नहीं हमारी घर की लड़कियाँ नहीं करती ये सब, हमारे घर की लड़कियाँ shooting पे नहीं जाती, ये क्या फालतूगिरी है. First ever money that I made was 300 rupees something, yeah. And I was like, yay, 300 rupees, 300 rupees. The dancer journey happened is like when I was on one of the shoots and it was raining heavily, so there were like train issues and this and that.
Yeah.
So some of the main dancers couldn't make it for the shoot.
Oh my god.
That's when Dinesh Acharya, the choreographer, he asked our coordinator saying that, can you please lend me some girls for today's shoot because my dancers couldn't make it.
Yeah.
And I wasn't an amazing dancer, but I knew how to, I wasn't too left feet. When it comes to choreography, you really have to conceive steps.
True.
You really have to get into the mojo of the entire situation of that particular song. Then again, the pleasing thing also happens. You have to please the producer also, you have to please the actor also, you have to please the director also. So I can't do this. I actually gave almost around 500 or 700 auditions, जिसके अंदर से मैं एक में भी select नहीं हुई.
So 500 auditions
More
is
than
what?
that, yeah.
My god.
You decide whether you want to exist, whether you want to survive, whether you want to live. बहुत हो गया यार, दुनिया को बहुत please कर लिया, अभी खुद को please कर लिया.
How did that Bollywood break happen?
Probably when I was in South doing my films. वो period के अंदर Master Ji might have done few songs with Salman sir, and then we just while talking I just said that I've been doing movies down south and this and that. So that's when Salman sir said that अरे pictures दिखा, let me see the pictures.
Yeah.
Immediately नहीं हुआ. That also took almost around 2.5 years. Salman sir offered me Bodyguard, Hazel's role.
Yeah.
Which I don't like to say it this way, but I had to say no to that because knowing that I come from the dancing field and that particular character had nothing to show.
Yes. It was more of an emotion rather than...
No, but again, if I am coming from something which I know that is my prowess, right? And doing a role as a debut in Bollywood where I can't even show my talent. It's not about the acting. Dance की बात कर रही हूँ, मैं dance भी नहीं दिखा पाऊँगी उसके अंदर. So it made no sense. My no led to Jai Ho's yes. I got a call again from Salman sir saying that I don't know whether you're gonna get selected or not, but we'll definitely get you auditioned. And so I was decided in my head कि इस बारी मतलब ना निकलना है ही नहीं, मतलब जो भी है हाँ बोलो. It's like somebody who's actually wanting to do something good for you. आप एक बार मना कर चुके हैं, है ना? दूसरी बार मना करना it's like भगवान आए आपके घर और आपने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया कि माफ करो भाई.
So I'm going to tell you 7 sins and you have to tell me if you have sinned. So if you have not, then you have to pick from the lot.
Okay.
The first is greed.
Yes. I'm a greedy person when it comes to affection. I'm a greedy person when it comes to attention. I am a greedy person when it comes to longing to spend time with my loved ones.
So that's all positives, Daisy.
That's my greed, yes. Because I make my own money, so I don't have the greed for that thing.
So the next one is pride.
No, never.
No?
No.
Okay. Okay. Lust.
No.
No?
No.
Really? So, anything?
I don't know.
The chocolate. But guys, you have to watch this episode full. You have to see Daisy eats chocolate pastry.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Envy. Have you ever felt envious?
Yes. Many times. Right after Jai Ho, I would say, people thought that, oh, Salman Khan's film did not make that much of money.
Yeah.
We were expecting so and so many crores and this and that. So that particular time, yes, I felt envious towards other people, towards other colleagues, I would say.
The next one is gluttony.
I mean, food, yeah, I'm a good Jew. What do you expect?
Wrath.
No.
No?
Oh my god, no, I'll have some orange juice then.
Then last one is sloth.
Yeah. Oh, Ray, mind me. Like, given a choice, like my mom literally, she has to come to my room. Is like, utte ja, utte ja.
बहुत हो गया. I'll tell you some pickup lines and you have to react to those pickup lines with these emojis.
Okay.
And I wonder why this is on the top, but anyway.
Constant mood.
You're so sweet, you're giving me a toothache.
Go visit a dentist, please.
Are you a broom? Because you've swept me off my feet. This is too...
झाड़ू से कभी मार पड़ी है?
Do you know what's on the menu? It's me and you.
I'm on a diet.
So Daisy, I have a few, actually 3 dialogues, which I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to also tell you the emotion, which you have to emote.
Okay.
Okay. The first one is, दोस्ती का एक असूल है, madam, no sorry, no thank you. And you have to be angry when you say this.
दोस्ती का एक असूल है मैडम. No sorry, no thank you. लगा क्या? डर लगा किसी को?
सलीम तुझे मारने नहीं देगा और हम अनारकली तुझे जीने नहीं देंगे. This you have to say in a happy emotion.
सलीम तुम्हें मरने नहीं देगा और हम अनारकली तुम्हें जीने नहीं देंगे.
आज मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, पैसा है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? And you have to be sort of seductive when you say this.
आज हमारे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, पैसा है. तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
Yeah, this was bang on. This was the best I've been out of it.
शशि जी, sorry, माफ कर दीजिएगा. Hi, this is Daisy Shah and I just finished one amazing session with the Girls Club of Bollywood. And please do like, share and subscribe to Butterfly. First of all, happy Women's Day to everybody out there. There's only one thing that I would like to say to all the women out there, that never ever forget the amazing strength and power that you possess within yourself. If you are somebody who has this ability to, bring a life to this planet Earth. Imagine how strong you are. So never forget that.